The most popular garage door insulation kit isn't always the best, that's what everyone assumes. But when you actually look at performance, ease of install, and real temperature control, the story changes fast. Today we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, Owens Corning Fiberglass Kit. First up is the Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit, a well-known name in building materials. Priced at $179.58, it uses 2.25-inch thick fiberglass panels with a cleanable vinyl surface. If you want solid thermal and sound insulation from a trusted brand, this is worth a serious look. That means less cold air sneaking in during winter and less heat blasting in during summer. Plus, it claims up to 20% noise reduction, great if your garage faces a busy street or you use it as a workshop. The flexible panels resist dents, and installation is straightforward with basic tools. It fits doors up to 9 feet wide, and over 300 people bought it last month, showing steady demand. Now some people complained about the lack of pre-cut panels. You have to measure and cut them yourself, which can be messy with fiberglass. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a little DIY precision and wearing gloves and a mask, the performance payoff is real. It's not the fastest install, but it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you want durable, long-term insulation and don't mind a bit of hands-on work. Skip this one if you hate fiberglass dust or need a super quick, no-cut solution. For the price and brand reputation, it's solid value. Product number 2, Beest FULLSTOP Double Door Kit. Now, if the Owens Corning kit felt too hands-on, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Beest FULLSTOP Garage Door Insulation Kit for double doors, $250.07, comes with 16 pre-cut foam core panels, heavy-duty tape, a cutter, and even a squeegee. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The closed-cell foam design blocks heat transfer efficiently, and the aluminum facing reflects radiant heat. That means real temperature relief year-round, no more freezing in winter or roasting in summer. The kit includes 200 feet of Beest lock tape, which they claim is the strongest on the market, tested in extreme temps. Plus, the clean white finish gives your garage a polished look without replacing the whole door. Over 200 buyers in the past month, and it comes with a 3-year warranty if you register it. Now, some people complained about the tape not sticking well on older, dusty garage doors. Here's the thing though, proper surface cleaning before install makes a huge difference. Once it's applied right, it holds strong. The price is higher, but you're paying for convenience and performance. This is perfect for you if you have a double garage door and want a complete no-hassle kit. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or your door surface is too worn for strong adhesion. For the peace of mind and included tools, it's worth the investment. Product number 3, Beest FULLSTOP Single Door Kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller setups. The Beest FULLSTOP Single Door Kit, $158.35, is the same high-quality foam core design but sized for single garage doors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get the same 10-15 degrees F temperature improvement and noise dampening as the larger kit, just scaled down. The closed-cell foam is moisture-resistant and durable, and the reflective aluminum layer helps reflect heat. It's lightweight, so it won't strain your garage door mechanism. Over 100 people bought it recently, and it's backed by the same US-based support and 3-year warranty. Now some people complain that the panels can warp slightly in extreme heat if not installed perfectly flat. Here's the thing though, taking your time during install and using the included squeegee to smooth everything out prevents this. It's not a flaw in the material, it's a reminder to follow the steps. This is perfect for you if you have a single garage door and want the same Beest quality without overpaying. Skip this one if your door is oddly sized or you're looking for thicker insulation. For the price and performance, it's one of the best single-door kits out there. Product number 4, KOHOLI Reflective Bubble Kit. Now, if the Beest kits felt too expensive, this next one takes a budget-friendly approach. The Kohli Reflective Foil Insulation Kit, $82.08, gives you 16 bubble-lined aluminum sheets with 120 adhesive tapes. If you want a lightweight, radiant barrier that's easy on the wallet, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double bubble design traps air to reduce heat transfer, and the reflective surface bounces back radiant heat up to 95% in ideal conditions. That means cooler summers and less heat loss in winter. It's thin at just 0.3 cm, so it won't add bulk or weight to your door. Plus, it's versatile. You can use it in attics, sheds, or even cars. Over 50 buyers picked it up recently, showing solid interest for the price. Now, some people complain that the adhesive strips don't stick well long-term, especially in hot climates. Here's the thing though, using extra tape or even mechanical fasteners in high heat areas solves this. It's not the most durable adhesive, but the insulation itself holds up. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or need a temporary or multi-use solution. Skip this one if you live in an extremely hot or humid area and need heavy-duty hold. For under $85, it's a great entry-level option. Product number 5, Radiant Guard Reflective Kit. Finally, the Radiant Guard Garage Door Insulation Kit, $146.23, offers 16 pre-cut reflective panels with 100 high-temp adhesive pads. If you want professional-grade radiant barrier performance without the premium price, this one stands out. The double bubble design adds insulation value, and the metallized surface resists rust and moisture. It's lightweight, works on metal, wood, or roll-up doors, and gives your garage a clean, bright finish by reflecting light. The adhesive pads are designed to handle temperature swings without sagging. Now, some people complain that the panels can shift slightly if the door is opened too quickly after install. Here's the thing though, letting the adhesive cure for 24 hours before use prevents this. It's a small step for a big payoff. This is perfect for you if you want high performance, easy install, and a polished look. Skip this one if you need thicker insulation for extreme climates. For the balance of price, quality, and effectiveness, it's one of the best overall values. So which one should you pick? If you want trusted fiberglass insulation, go with Owens Corning. For a full-featured double-door kit, Beest Fullstop delivers. Need the same quality for a single door? Beest has that too. On a budget, Kohli gives solid radiant protection. And for the best balance of performance and value, Radiant Guard is hard to beat. Pick the one that fits your door, your climate, and your comfort goals.